to the Florida Aquarium.
All right, we're gonna go see what there is to do at the Florida Aquarium in Tampa. The entrance has a huge manta ray. We're gonna go in here through security and then go inside. The entrance, they've got guest services up here. Is that cool?
Yeah, this is cool. There's even a gift shop. It's just like a mall.
Yeah, it's just like a mall. Yep, a gift shop, and I know there's a, I think there's food over here, and then the splash pad, but the splash pad, it's a little chilly today. Level 1 main lobby, dining and splash pad. They have wetlands, they have, looks like bays and beaches, coral reefs, pipes and ponies. A lot of it is in level 2, so we're gonna kind of see all what we can. All right, let's go up here. It says the wetlands of Florida. Okay, they got Florida water, Florida springs. They have alligator gar. Looks like a sunfish. Shiner. Do you see, which one do you see, guys?
I see.
Yeah, you're right. The alligator gar is the top. It's got like a pointy nose.
I see the alligator gar.
Okay, wetlands trail. Oh, turtles. Look at the fish. Or the fish, the bird.
And the little turtles, Daddy. Pumpkin. Look at this.
Hi.
Oh,
Look at that little turtle. He's so cute. Diamondback terrapin. They have a blue wing-tailed killifish.
is this a
Blackfish.
Damn. Black crappie. Yellow person.
Yeah, so we got some black crappie over here.
Black crappie.
Who named you guys? That's just me.
Black crappie. Oh.
Hi, Ready Duck.
Look, it's alligator.
Okay, let's go look at the alligators. Hi.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Hi, alligator. Thank goodness. Thank goodness he's in there and we're out here. He's just walking. He's swimming around.
You're so adorable. He's swimming back and forth.
He got really close. He's hungry for some children.
Careful, it might bite you.
Man, I would not want to be right next to that.
Standing.
7 photo locations where you scan the barcode and control the camera on your phone. I guess you can buy them, but when I went to click buy, it said there was an issue and all the photos were free. So I'm just going to show them here on the screen. Some of them were cute and some of them kind of covered our face, and you can't really tell where it's going to cover you. So, but it was still a fun thing to do.
Burm's python.
Yeah, python. Burmese python.
Pumpkin.
Southeast Asia. And there's more. This is a whole little wetland area with different paths. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez.
Oh yeah.
It's okay.
What's this? What is it?
Frozen. Yeah. Swings from side to side in the water to eat. Look at this one. It's a river cooter. Oh, look, it's moving its bill from side to side.
Water.
Yeah, I know.
I've seen one of these. I picked some up before.
You did. Millipedes.
We can climb. Hey, Daddy. See, it has whiskers.
It does.
Hi, catfish.
American oyster catcher.
There's some more over here. More duckies. And then what's over here? A Gulf killifish. We saw those earlier. There's ibis. Anemone.
What?
Wow.
What fish is that?
Red drum.
It's a red drumfish.
Oh my gosh. Hello. He's saying
cute.
hi.
Yeah. His eyes are creepy.
I think he looks dwarves.
Adorbs.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah. Another photo station. So when the spoonbill is out, you can get your picture over here.
Oh,
Hold on. Oh, look. We didn't see this stuff over here.
Look, it's a white snake.
The albino rat snake.
Oh, Daddy, look, there's small fishies. And I didn't even see them.
I see lemurs. Oh, look, there's hissing cockroaches. Isn't that gross?
I'm creeped out.
Yeah, look at them all.
I wish I could hold one of them.
No
Oh, there's no
way.
glass there.
I'll be like this. Look, it's Dory, Mommy.
It's a Dory.
Okay.
Dory, hi Dory.
Lemurs, Mommy, look, there's lemurs. They're cuddling each other. There's lemurs? And there's also a turtle.
They're probably like grooming too.
Well, look, there's one right there.
There's the geckos. Just picked the turtle.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh, she's got another.
Another one.
Ah, hi.
So you can do that too, Pumpkin, if you're a zookeeper. Look at the lemurs. They're kind of just moving back. You can see the whole wetland area from up here. It's pretty cool. Got bays and beaches over here. Gulf of Mexico. Safe harbors for fish and people. Hollow meadowfish.
Yeah,
That's a toadfish.
toadfish.
Look over here. You see
It looks
these
like a
guys.
toad.
We got goatfish,
He's
trunkfish.
a toad and he's a fish.
There's a hermit crab in here.
Where's the
Oh,
spot?
and a porcupine fish. Look at it. It doesn't have eyes. Look at it.
What's eyes?
It doesn't look at its eyes.
Oh,
Ew.
there's a giant right there, hermit crab.
There, yeah, look, there is a hermit crab.
He's huge.
Ooh, cool.
It's a
Dad,
crab
look
too?
at these two
Hold on.
monsters.
Okay, I'll look next.
They're
Oh,
huge.
those are really creepy.
Yeah, they're
Yeah, he's-
kind of
It's a clinging crab. Or is it? Oh, You're right.
Whatever. Do you see this one back here?
The queen. That
The
may be the queen of that.
Look, buddy.
oh, gross. That's disgusting.
You can see him now, look, bub.
Look, it's the queen of the tank.
Look, bottom dwellers.
Pumpkin look.
The gobbies go.
Aww, they're so cute.
Those are garden eels. Spotted
Daddy, look,
garden
they're
eels.
cute garden
I
eels.
like how they have the stripes on them.
Yeah, I like them.
They're just like stuck there.
Is this no picture?
This is no flash.
Whoa.
Cause that
Look how Ron is naked.
they got bass, spadefish, swimming crab. Chilling. It does look like, yeah, it's a porcupine fish. Close. Those are cute.
Balloon porcupine. Oh my god. Balloon porcupine.
This was back in the Wetlands exhibit, and they had certain times on a chalkboard, so it said venomous versus poisonous, and this nice lady had taught us the difference between them, so it was a nice educational class. I would highly recommend sticking around just to kind of learn something new. Some animals are more obvious that they have venom and some animals poison, but some were actually both, and I did not know the one butterflies were poisonous. There's 2 fingers. It might be hard. There's one over here, look. Get it, get it. See if you can do it.
Oh, this is cold. Why is it so cold?
That's what they like to live in. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
It's the warmest water you'd find of it too.
Oh my goodness. They like it that cold.
Hi.
You want to try that one? Oh, I like moved.
Like stuck to my finger.
It's cold. There's some over here too, Pumpkin, look. How's it feel? How's it feel? Gross? Smushy? I know it's cold. There you go.
That's adorable.
It's adorable. For mono fish. They're shy. Spotted scat.
They're shy.
Oh yeah. And you can see it out here. Look, it's closed right now. It's a splash pad. Splash pad is closed. They have looks like a bar, and then places to eat outside.
Whoa, I didn't even.
It's closed. But we come here when it's warmer. They have a splash pad. Our view too of the splash pad. Brown shrimp. Those are shrimp. We eat those.
Yeah, but they look cute. They're babies.
Those legs. Next up is the Coral Reef exhibit. This place is actually pretty big. Let's see what kind of fish are in here. Porcupine fish, squirrel fish. Yeah, Buddy Boy saw that. It shows the Florida coral reefs over here.
Oh my gosh!
That's alive in there.
Mom, look! Oh,
Yeah.
this is so amazing!
Wow. World's famous fossil jaw.
Is that real?
A green sea turtle. Don't know where it is.
Coral cave.
The reef wall. This goes pretty far back. Coral cave.
Flowing! The coral.
Lionfish.
Ooh!
They said you can eat this one, just not the puffer fish.
Yeah.
Well, unless they cook it right.
Daddy, look! This is humongous! It's actually crazy! Look at
Does it
that!
look crazy?
Whoa!
He's cute. That's big.
I see a turtle and a sea ray. Whoa! Look at his eyes. Mommy, look!
New exhibit coming soon. Pipes and ponies.
We're looking at this, buddy.
It's a lump sucker.
A lump stuck.
Sucker.
Ew.
Wow.
Here, look, they're like flapping.
They're
But
big.
they're fat seahorses.
Oh my god. Aren't they cute?
Do you have fat belly?
They do have fat bellies. They're called pot-bellied
Did you know?
seahorses. Males have a big pale pouch that darkens when eggs are inside. Yes, the males have the babies, which is awesome. Now there's some more seahorses over here. Remember this exhibit? I loved it.
Alligator pipefish.
Alligator pipefish. Okay. Those are
Spiny
cute.
sea-
You see these guys? Waves of wonder.
Jellyfish. They're tangled.
Oh yeah. They're like, get away. It looks like that's what they do apparently. Blubber jellies.
Look at that big one.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a baby
I like the way they
ghost out
swim.
in the water. Look, there's a baby
There are
ghost.
lots of bubbles because they're moving around so much. They
They're
swim
kind
funny.
of funny. Look at that
Yeah.
blue one.
They're upside down. That's why they have that weird name.
Whoa, there's hundreds of them.
Pink-tipped anemone.
Look.
Pink-tipped anemone. A lagoon jelly.
Mom.
Wow. And another area to sit and kind of watch. Oh,
My gosh, look at that.
that's a huge fish.
Nothing crazy.
It's like longer than you almost. About the length.
Look, it's a manta ray. See, Mommy? The spots on Steven. Hi. Hi. Hi, Crush. I don't even crush. Hi, Crush.
Look,
What?
he's coming back. Look. Hi.
Looking at you.
Hi. He wanted to say hi. Look, say hi. He's a baby. Look at the octopus. Look.
Oh, giant Pacific octopus. The tentacles. He's hiding up there, or she.
Look, it's a spotted fish. Spotted fish in there.
That is adorable. I want one like this. This
Look, I
big.
found that's Nemo, and the other one is
Now it takes us back out into the
Mommy,
gift
let's
shop.
go somewhere else now. Do they sting?
Can't hurt us.
Can't hurt us,
Oh,
okay.
like if you touch the bottom, it will sting?
No, this type can't hurt us. You can touch the tops gently.
Do the tops gently.
It's okay.
Feel like
What do they feel like?
jelly with bones in it, but they don't have bones.
Is it cool?
Yeah, they're cute.
So they have a cafe over here with Dippin' Dots. Looks like probably just some fried type of cafeteria food. Let's go look over here, guys, real quick. And then just some, looks like some shirts. What else do they got? Oh, look at that huge plush. How much is that? 60 bucks. I like the backpack. Got some little plush.
Miss me.
That's 62. You get a little rescue kit too. Frogs, turtles, just different mermaid toys. 40 bucks for that. Oh, those are cool. It's like jelly lamp. Shirts. I like the penguin backpack. It's cute. $45. The backpack we saw at the front too. 30 bucks for 30 for the backpack and 30 for the fanny pack. Aw, and there's a little 42 bucks. Some beanies, shirts, more shirts. A manatee bag too. 35. Alright, so the splash pad is closed right now. We'll have to eventually come back for that. But right next to it looks like the Wild Dolphin Cruise. One day we may have to do that. I don't, it's 75 minutes. I don't know if the kids will be good about it right now, but eventually I would like to. Right outside they have a 4D theater that rotates with different movies. I would highly recommend stopping in. It's free with your admission. Oh, look, it's snowing. It's super cute. Lots of bubble effects, wind, snow, a little bit of rain, kind of, well, from the, what was it called, waterfall. Did you like it, Pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bunny Boy, you liked it too?
Yeah.
He said he wanted to do it again.
Yeah.
No, he liked it.
Like you said, it was better than Shrek.
Yeah, I thought it was probably one of the better 4D shows.
Yeah,
You did.
the 4D is good and the effects are neat. Now, Pumpkin, do you like this aquarium better or Sea Life? This one. Yeah.
This one's much better than that.
Yeah, I think this one's, there's more to do.
Because it's like a mall.
It's like a mall.
The exhibits are much more amazing.
Yeah, they're and up close too. I feel like you can get really up close to some of the jellyfish and the manta rays, the big fish.
I've never been to one that you could actually touch the jellyfish.
Yeah, the jellyfish.
Yeah, big subscribe. My video is gonna channel subscribe and subscribe.